Hi guys, welcome to Inverse. আপোনালোকক সকলোকে মই স্বাগতম জনাইছো আমাৰ এটা নতুন প্ৰস্তুতিত। এটুত আমি ম্যাথছৰ কেইটামান সামস আমি সলভ কৰিম। আমাৰ যোনটো প্ৰিভিয়াছ ভিডিঅ' আছিলে হেতু লজিক্যাল ৰিজনিং ৰ ওপৰত আছিলে আৰু আপোনালোকে শিওৰ শট হেতু গৈ এবাৰ চেক আউট কৰিব পাৰে। আপোনালোকৰ বহুতখিনি লাভ হ'ব হেতুত। ওকে, সো আজিৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট কোৱেশ্চন যোনটো হয় হেতু হয় about a population question, that is, if the population of a town increases at the rate of 10% every year, the present population is 1000, then after 10 years the population of the town will be what? So this is the question. So apni eta kotha buji paise sage je jetia ami town or ba enuka population related questions jetia ami koru, then we have to understand that jetia question e koise je 1000 population asile eta town or every year 10% ke badhi ase, right? So for the first year, the population will be 1100 because 1000 plus 10% of 1000 is 100. That gives us 1100 in total. Right. Now, বুঝাৰ কথা এটো যে second year of population to আকৌ 1000 or 10% হয়, but 1100 or 10% হ'ব. That is plus 10% of 1100. Right, that is nothing but 1100 plus its 10% should be 110. Jetia ami 10% by henuka jetia ami ketaman question pao, we just have to understand one thing ki jetia 10% ulabo lage kun number, for example 320, etu jodi amar 10% ulabo lage kene ke ulam ami 0 cancel korim aru etu 10 or pura আমি cancel করে দিম। So basically 32 is the 10% of 320. মানে basically একটা zero remove হয়ে যায়। That is what I am trying to say. So 1100 plus 110 মই আপোনালোকক সবকে এটো আবেদন কৰো যে at least calculation to যেতিয়া এনেকুৱা টাইপৰ যেতিয়া সাম আহিব calculation to আপোনালোকে ভালকে চাই মেলি কৰি লব, otherwise it will not be good for you guys, right? Very important. 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1, 2, 1, 0 is the population for the second year. This is the first, this is the second. Third year of karne ki hobo sabo. 1210 is already the initial population plus 10% of whatever it is. So 1210 10% kiman hobo? 1210 10% again, just remove the 0. Remove the 0 koile kiman hobo? Just 121 plus 1210. Okay, got it. Plus 121. So this is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, and so 1331. So the final answer to this question is 1331. This should be the answer. Option number D is the correct answer for the first question. So etu jodi apnaloke buji paise je keneke percentage ot keneke bostu ulai, then keneke directly ami ulabo paru without doing much calculations, then we shall move to the next question. Okay, apnalokor usot moi next eta very easy question eta prostut korisu, but a lot of people do not know what is this, the 0.23 and the bar on top of that. Bahut manuhe na jane je 0.23 upor bar or mane ki, nothing. It just means 0.232323. Basically this thing will be repeated till infinity, this thing. Aru 23 upor bar mane hol ki এই পেয়াৰটো বাৰে 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 ৰিপিট হৈ থাকিব। ফৰ এক্সাম্পল যদি এনেকুৱা এটা নম্বৰ আছিলে 0.234 তাৰ ওপৰত বাৰ, ইট ইউজুৱেলি মিনছ 0.234234 and ... till infinity. This is what it will mean. ঠিক আছে, now to solve this question basic technicalities ত না যাও, but directly যদি solve কৰিব লাগে questionটো, nothing, 0.23 ওপৰত bar. So you have to calculate কিমান numbers ওপৰত bar আছে, দুটা number ওপৰত bar আছে হয় না, তলত আপুনি কি লগ যদি দুটা number ওপৰত bar আছে, just put 2 9s, মানে দুটা 9 হেনেকে তলত লিখি দিব, আৰু যোনটো whole number part যোনটো এইটো 23 the part that is this ওপৰত এনেকৈ 23 লিখি দিব so this is the answer ইমানটোৱে কৰিব লাগে so যিমানখিনি ডেচিমেল প্লেচেছ আছে সিমানখিনি 9 লগাব লাগিব আৰু যোনটো আপোনাৰ হোল নম্বৰ ভ্যালুটো যোনটো আছে 23 এই 23 টো ওপৰত লিখি দিলে হ'ল this is how we can find out and this sum is called a recurring decimal recurring eto sum to ठीक है okay যদি বুজি পাইছে then next move on to the next question okay to অলপ ডাঙৰ হৈ গৈছে আমি বুঝতে পারো ফলো কৰি দিও okay so that fits the screen right okay very nice এই সামটো যোনটো হয় মই এটো সিলেক্ট কৰা ৰিজনটো এটো যে এটো অলপ ট্ৰিকি সামটো ঠিক আছে আপোনালোকে যদি নরমালি যদি সামটো চাই দেন আপুনি চাব যে ফৰ এক্সাম্পল দ্য নর্মাল পার্সপেক্টিভ অফ সামটো আমি সলভ কৰি চাও যে Kamal buys an article for 20% less than its printed price and sells it for 20% more than the printed price right more than the printed price the percentage of gain on selling kiman percentage gain kiman hoise selling ot etu amar question or objective 2 ঠিক আছে let's consider ki Kamalor product to printed price asle 100 he kinile 20% less ot mane he kinile for example 80 rupees ot যদি আপোনালোকে 100 কিয় ধৰিছো হেতু কোৱেশ্চন যদি আপোনালোকৰ থাকে দেন আপোনালোকে প্লিজ চেক আউট কৰিব আমাৰ এটা ভিডিও যত মই এক্সপ্লেইন কৰিছো যে why do we take 100 as a strike price আমি 100 হেতু কাৰণে লওঁ যাতে আমি আমাৰ পার্সেন্টেজ অফ সামস বোৰ ইজি হৈ যায় we can take any price 1800 900 but তাতে আমি বেলেগকে পার্সেন্টেজ ক্যালকুলেট কৰিব বেলেগকে 20% তে ক্যালকুলেট কৰিব লাগিব so to reduce the effort we just take 100 and it works most of the times okay you'll see how it works here so 100 asile he kinise bostu to 80th that is less than 20% less of he kinise now he sells it for 20% more than the printed price so jiman kini printed price asile that is this he sells it at more than the 20% more than the printed price that is 120 rupees or sell koise that is plus 20% more what he sell koise bostu to আপোনালোকক উলাব লাগে the percentage gain কিমান খিনি percentage gain কৰিছে in the whole process that is what you have to find okay let's do it in a very normal fashion যদি আমি normal fashion ত বস্তুটো কৰো then it is nothing but কিমান খিনি difference আছে চাওক 40 right 40 divided by 120 into price is this 100% কাটি দিয়ক 4 1s are 4 4 3s are 12 1 by 3 1 by 3 into 100 so 1 by 3 into 100 is nothing but 3 3s are 9 point right 3 3s are 9 and 133.33% this should be the answer but is there any 33.33% in the option no there is not that is what I was trying to say ki this is not like the sum that you know wish to get always okay so what should be the solution to it please understand the solution the percentage gain kiman hobo thik ase percentage gain to me yate a2 current a2 perspective ot ami percentage gain to keneke ulam te sauk bostu tur dam asle 80 rupees right it was sold for 120 rupees right so what is the total difference between the two prices 40 rupees now you'll say sir 40% should be the answer no 40% is not the correct answer okay you have to understand that juntu percentage juntu gain hoy hetu bostu to generally apna cost price ot hoy ঠিক আছে juntu cost price hoy hetut ami gain to ami calculate koru that is 40 by 80 into 100 juntu cost price asile juntu he kinise hetut he 40 rupees ke labh korise understood so etu hobo amar actual equation 2 let's cancel out 0 0 cancel 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Half into 100%. It's nothing but 50%. So he actually 50% profit he কৰিছে, right? যদি আপোনালোকে চাই এটা বস্তু মই আৰু এটা বস্তু আপোনালোকক বুজাই দিব বিচাৰিছোঁ যে যদি আৰু বস্তু মই বুজাই দিব বিচাৰিছোঁ চাওক যে ইয়াতে যে 80 rupees টো আছিলে সেইটো হৈ গ'ল কিমান 120 rupees হ'ল নে নাই 80 rupees ৰ হাফ কিমান হয় 40 rupees তো সেই হাফটো এটোৰ লগত এড হৈ কিনে এটো সেলিং প্ৰাইস SP2 বনিছে হয় না নাই ৰাইট সো পার্সেন্টেজ গেইন কিমান হ'ব 50% হ'ল নে নাই 50% shall be the percentage gain because যিমানখিনি কষ্ট প্ৰাইস আছিলে হেতু 50% আমি গেইন পাইছো right so that is why 50% is the gain price now for example যদি আমি ইয়াতে 80 rupees gain পালো হয় যে ইয়াতে 40 আৰু 40 for example 40 160 তো total 160 rupees gain মানে SP 160 হল for example তোমার gain percentage কিমান হল হয় 100% হয় না কেনেকে gain is 80 selling price is sorry cost price was 80 100% cut and 100% gain so I hope you have understood this question this is a very trick question ঠিক আছে মানুহে 40% বা 33.33% হেবোৰ মার্ক কৰি আই যাব but actually it is not the case ঠিক আছে okay যদি বুজি পাইছে then we shall move to the next question এই কোৱেশ্চনটো বহুত ডাঙৰ হৈ গৈছে আমাৰ অলপ এটো সৰু কৰিব লাগিব okay this is again another very interesting question that we have here that is a tank can be filled by 5 pipes in 80 minutes how long would it take to fill the same tank by 8 pipes very easy question actually but মানুহে generally to কৰিব নোৱাৰে that is 5 pipes at a tank of fill কৰি লব in 80 minutes ঠিক আছে do we need any conversion that hours by anything of that sort no we do not need any kind of conversion out here ঠিক আছে then how much time will it take to fill the tank by 8 pipes 8 pipes কিমান টাইম লাগিব আপুনি এটা কথা কক যে 5 pipes ত 80 minutes time লাগে then 8 pipes ত কম লাগিব নে বেছি লাগিব please answer the question I think 8 pipes ত কম time লাগিব because the more the number of pipes the more the number of water flow more the amount of water flow and the less time it takes so of course there will be something that is less than 80 minutes right less than 80 minutes hobo lage so do we have an option that is less than 80 minutes we have 70 we have 60 we have 50 so it will cross out hoye gole 80 minutes will not be the answer so out of these three shall be the answer ami guess korbo no anime to question it okay so how do we find it out okay let's do it like this ki 5 pipes shall take up 80 minutes to fill up the tank so kiman khini work kori ase 5 pipes e mili kina 5 is 40 and 0 so 400 units of work kori ase right now see so 8 pipes e kiman work koribo so sauk total juntu work kora unit hetu to same e thakibo because we are not saying that the task has reduced task to the common task same e ase bus the number of pipes has increased so jodi 400 units lagisil মানে 400 units of work korar amar koribo lage then 5 pipes e iman khini time loy thik ase it's basically that let's make it in the form of an equation then you'll understand it better okay see 5 pipes takes this much amount of time to complete this much amount of work so 8 pipes will take for example t amount of time to complete 400 units of work right so t equal to 400 divided by 8 crisscross okay okay 8 5s are 40 hoy right and it is 0 eta lagibo so kiman khini minute jehetu etu time to minute thoisilo so etu time to minute to pam do we have 50 minutes as an option yes we have 50 minutes as an option this is the very correct answer so if you have understood do give a like share and all that ठीक है যদি আপোনালোকে বস্তুটো খিনি ভালকে যদি বুজি পাইছে okay I don't know what has happened. All of dangor basi dangor ke ahi ase. Okay. This is another sum regarding the variable thing, variable and equations. ठीक है, linear equations in two variables का sum है. ठीक है. How to do it? See, the question says that a minus b equal to 5 and a square plus b square equal to 41. Then a b value किमान होगा. ठीक है. Very easy, nothing to worry about. Just বুজি পাব লাগে, then আপোনালোকে এইটো question মুখে মুখেও কৰিব পাৰিব. চাওক, a minus b value কিমান দিছে? 5 দিছে, right? আমি কি কৰিম, দুয়ো সাইডে স্কয়াৰ কৰি দিম. তেতিয়া স্কয়াৰ কৰিম, a minus b whole square value হ'ব a square plus b square minus twice of ab equal to 25. This is the value. अभी a square plus b square value আমি জানো দিয়া আছে, that is 41 minus 2ab equals to 25. So minus 2ab equal to 25 minus 41 minus 2ab equal to 25 minus 41 যদি আমি করু, ঠিক আছে, 25 minus 41. So 11 minus 5 is 6, 3 minus 2 is 1, 16 minus 16. This thing gets cancelled, right? Okay. So it remains with it's kiman kini basis sauk ab twice ab equal to 16. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, therefore ab equal to 8. So ab shall be equal to 8. Do we have 8 in the options? We have, and this is it. This is the sum that we are trying to make. Okay, so the last question for this video is this that we have. So moving on, next question is this. The question says to find the value of x if x by 128 is equal to root over 162 by x. So root over 128 is this basically this is the question. Okay, how do you find it out? Nothing, ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना है. Once you start using a brain, it just goes into vain. Anyways, so see, x by root over 128 is equal to root over 162 divided by x. What you do is you cross multiply. Nothing, just cross multiply it. So how do you cross multiply? x के साथ x को cross multiply करो, ठीक है, नहीं लिखते, चलो थोड़ा सा एडवांस करते हैं. x के साथ x को करो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, तो x स्क्वायर हो जाएगा x इंटू एक्स, यहाँ पे हो जाएगा रूट ओवर 128 इंटू रूट ओवर 162. करेक्ट है. सो x स्क्वायर, अभी वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस पार्ट. सो वंस वी फाइंड आउट द LCM, दैट इज 2 6 12 2 4 8, and this one becomes 8 8. So basically we can write it as 8 into 8 into 2. This is what we can write, 128 like into 162 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं. Let's do it. Wait, अब हल्के करो, ठीक है. Please note it down. Okay, whatever I am writing, please note it down. अपना लोग का help होगा it. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 8. So 2 1s are 2, sorry, and 9 9s are 81. So basically 9 into 9 into 2. Okay, did you see a pattern here? 8 into 8, 9 into 9. Basically 8 square and 9 square both can go out of the square root wala thing, ठीक है. Okay, let's okay. So 8 into 8 is 8 square into 2 into, this is nothing but 9 square into 2. Okay, right. 8 স্কোয়ার যেহেতু স্কোয়ার আছে এটার উপর, তো স্কোয়ার রুটের বাইরে গুছি যাব, তো 8 ভিতর রুট টু জায়গা থাকে যাব ইন্টু 9 root 2, right? So let's do it again, right? So 8 9 যে কিমান হ'ব 72 into root 2 into root 2. This root 2 into root 2 shall give you just 2. So if you again tip root 2 যদি root 2 লগাত আমি multiply কৰো, any root no matter any number it is, যদি এনেকান multiplication যদি হয় ভিতৰত যিকোনো number হ'ব পাৰে 3 4 5 6 anything any number, so then the root cancel out and the normal number যোনটো number ভিতৰত থাকে ৰুটৰ it comes out, ঠিক আছে. So 72 into 2 is nothing but 144. See, 2 into 2 4, 7 to the 14, 144. So x square becomes 144. So x becomes root over 144, correct? So root over 144 is nothing but 12. So x ka value kiman hoy gol 12. So this is the answer. So do we have 12 in the options? Do we have 12? Yes, we do. Option A is the correct answer. So it to our final question asile, and with this moi apnalokor pora viday lobo khodisu. Do like, subscribe and share jodi apnalokor bhal lagise, and apnar friends and family soboke share koribo joneu ebar Assam Direct recruitment di ase. All the best to everybody, and I hope maximum people get job, and that is it. Thank you from my side, and so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. All the best.